Federation units. Your mission is the destruction of the cloning facility on Camino, the source of the Republic's clone troopers. Expect resistance. We have a limited time to enact our four-phase strategy.
Terminate the Republic
Begin by
forces.
slicing the facility's genetic archive and corrupting the stored samples.
Wind, beam deactivated. Roger, roger. Activating strategic control circuits. Roger, roger. Slicing program activated.
Final slicing sequence
Activating
begun.
turret.
Injecting corrupt data.
Activating strategic
Archive
control
under
circuits.
separatist control. Its contents will soon be useless. Reconfiguring form phase 2. General Grievous is here. Load desolation protocols and secure the landing pads for capture. We may then proceed toward our ultimate goal. Master Kenobi is now fighting with the clones.
Attempting to secure the east landing pad. Terminate the Republic forces. East landing pad is vulnerable. Starting capture. Rapid fire
They must have turned.
activating strategic control circuits. Good luck, turret. East landing pad designated for capture. Continuing attack. Oh!
I expect the east landing pad secured within 1 unit megacycle. Landing pads are secured.
Activating turret.
Remove any clones and make ready to march.
Real trouble. New enemy on site.
Sector targets are the facility barracks and hangar. Succeed and we will proceed to our final phase.
Activating strategic control circuits. The hangar is ready for capture. Turret ready. is open to attack. Activating strategic control. We're in the target zone. Grenade out.
Victory at the hangar is imminent.
Good luck, turret. Analyzing turret.
Crush them. Make them suffer.
Wipe out the clone. Trend mine identified. Exterminate the Republic forces. Activating turret. Exterminate the Republic forces. Prime.
Kenobi has joined the Republic forces.
Turret ready. Activating strategic controls. New enemy on the battlefield. Looks like trouble.
One lightsaber now.
Wrong sentry. Win or be deactivated. Win or be deactivated. Targeting grenade. Exterminate the Republic forces.
We are getting bounty hunter support. Bosk is here.
Activating turret. Activating strategic control circuit. Grenade. Organic ally arriving.
for clones and download new programming. Our final phase begins shortly. Begin final phase. Destroy the fusion core. Do not let enemy reinforcements arrive
Activating
first.
secret control circuits.
I sense your
A Jedi has been spotted. Looks like Kenobi.
Beginning shutdown. Step 1 of 50.
Proceed as planned. Secure the core.
A new ally has landed. Grenade out. Who's that? Some kind of Republic hero? Shutdown initiated. Beginning shutdown. Grenade. Shutdown underway.
The facility is crippled. The vile clone